In an empty white world, Black River flows like an eternal wave, filling up the endless riverbed with sounds and melodies. The only thing that holds her shape is the thin line where water caresses the land. The soil is rigid and strong, resistant to change. It's soaked with stereotypes and traditions looking down upon the water, trying to mold it in their own way. I play a tune, dip my fingers into the cold sound, and begin to swim. I hear another pair of hands paddling in the current behind me. You join me, then she joins us. The melody grows into a harmony as we face the waves together, and gradually I feel that something underneath has changed. With every sway, with every song, a piece of land breaks away. Our sound bites into the frozen soil, and the rhythm of vibrations escalates like an invisible force somewhere deep within the water. It pushes through constraints, it fights the walls, expectations, and disbeliefs that stare us down from the riverside. We keep on pushing our way against the strong current.